In this video, I'm going to go over how to make topology optimization with Emendate faster. So what you want to do is you start in Nastran normally, you select your input file, but in the keywords line, you type in this keyword MNGPU and set it equal to yes. That would trigger the use of the machine's GPU device. Now, after the optimization is complete, you are going to get a log file. At the end of the log file, look for this set of lines, real user sys. Let's go ahead and copy that to a different notepad. So we'll say this is how long this run took. So here, if we look at the real duration, it took about 18 minutes to run this topology optimization. Now, what happens when I don't use MNGPU? So for this, I already have that recorded. So let's go ahead and copy and paste that. So here we get told it took 33 minutes with no MNGPU. So that's a 50% reduction, or nearly 50% reduction in duration of topology optimization. Now be careful, because when I repeated this optimization with no MNGPU, it took me 28 minutes. So in this case, it would have been a reduction of about, I think, 30%. So here the lesson is try it with and without MNGPU equals yes, and then compare the durations. If MNGPU equals yes works for you, then use it. If it doesn't, that's okay. Also, MNGPU equals yes will only work if you have a GPU device available on your machine. Okay, now let's go ahead and show you how to do that in the web app. So in the web app, if you want access to this web app, you can visit theengineeringlab.com, click on the blue button here in the top right corner, fill out the form, and we'll go ahead and give you access to the web app. So here we already have a model loaded. Let's go to the pre and to the download. Click on this blue button, upload PDF and configure run. And then here in the bottom left under keywords, type in that keyword MNGPU equals yes. Here in this other window, I've already submitted this run with MNGPU. Let's go ahead and run this without MNGPU. So here in this window, we'll click run. And so when you have MNGPU equals yes, you get the same output in the command prompt or the terminal. MSC Nastran 2025.2 system information message. Here it says MSC Nastran beginning job, MSC Nastran started. And then in addition to that, you get a lot of text and information that the GPU device is being used. This is evidence that MNGPU is being used. Here, when you do not use MNGPU, you just get the normal output. MSC Nastran beginning job, started, and so on and so on. Notice that there's no information about the GPU device being used. Also, if you go to result files, here in the left rather, click on model.log, and this will show you the log file. Here you'll find the familiar message, a real user sys. Here for this example, it's a separate example. It took 2 minutes. Okay, so yeah, that's how you make MSC Nastran Topology Optimization with Emendate faster. You basically try and use this keyword. Thank you for watching.